Vikas Singh to present our opportunity.
Thank you, Peter. And I welcome you all to this wonderful opportunity. So, IMC is a company which is more of a product-based company, also along with the best business opportunity which comes. So, we have a plan which is more of a hybrid business plan. So, in this business plan, not only you can earn money, even if you are having, I would say, yes, 1 lakh, you can reach up to 30% level. But if you are really a serious networker and if you want to make big money like how much, that you can talk to Prema Kumar. He is the #1 ID in India. He is the top earner since last, I think, over a decade now. And Dr. Anand Vajpayee, also a Crown President, one of the top leader in IMC. So today, whatever we are going to talk about in a business plan is something which people have already achieved. Which people? It is not something I will tell you XYZ person who is in India has achieved this thing. No, the person who is sitting in front of you, the two gentlemen, they both have done it and proved it that with this business plan you can make billions. I'm not talking millions. I'm talking you can make billions. And it's a accumulative hybrid business plan. Accumulative means whatever effort you put in this month does not go waste in the next month. So your efforts are counted a month on month till the time you achieve a level which is called 30% level, like superstar level. So to talk more about it, I will call Prem Kumar sir and Dr. Vajpayee also. So business plan you both can discuss together. I think, and wherever it is needed, I will do the translation for you because he speaks Hindi. So that is our mother tongue. And I will translate the entire business plan in English for you guys. You have any queries, any question related to business plan, you can ask and we'll try to resolve. So we will also discuss at superstar level, which is the basic foundation level in our business. Basic foundation I have seen, this is the level where you can hit a income of 2000 ringgits or maybe around about that, which is like a normal salary of any individual in Malaysia. Okay, so whatever you need to put in to achieve that level, what you achieve if you reach at silver level, what you get if you reach at gold level, then diamond and chairman. So chairman, we will see the plan till chairman level. And so thank you so much, Peter and the entire team. I would like to call the top leader, Mr. Prem Kumar and Dr. Vajpayee, the Crown President in India. So thank you so much and welcome.
Thank you. बिजनेस प्लान मैं स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको एक बेसिक चीज बता दूं कि कंपनी है क्या.
So before we start the business plan, we'll talk more about company. What is company all about?
Company started in 2007, India.
So company started in 2000 in India,
and company come Malaysia is 2020. 2022 में कंपनी इंडिया में मलेशिया आई. तो कंपनी को चलते हुए अराउंड 15 years हो चुके, 15 साल हो चुके हैं कंपनी को.
So we started our journey in India in 2007 and we started our operations in 2022 in Malaysia. That means the overall tenure of the company, if you look at, it is around about 15 years we have spent in direct selling industry.
तो कंपनी को चलते हुए 15 साल हो गए. कोई छोटी मोटी कंपनी नहीं, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है. ऑलरेडी इंडिया के अंदर बहुत से लोग जो है लाखों रुपए महीना कमा रहे हैं इस इंडस्ट्री से, इस कंपनी से.
So this is not a small company. So we are into this business since last, as we shared, that 15 years, and there are millions of people in India who are earning good money in India.
कंपनी का जो बेस्ट पॉइंट है कि कंपनी के जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो खुद के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है.
The good thing about company is that we don't source product from outside. We get all our products manufactured within our own manufacturing facilities in India.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट हमारा हरिद्वार में है. ऑलरेडी आपके कुछ लीडर्स यहाँ से मलेशिया से गए थे और उन्होंने देखा है कि यहाँ ये प्लांट है कैसे, प्रोडक्ट बनता कैसे है हमारा.
So the factory which we are talking about is based in Haridwar, which is a northern part of India, and many of our leaders from Malaysia have already been to our factory. They have physically seen the site.
तो हम लोग प्लान पे डिस्कस करते हैं। अभी तक मैंने वर्ल्ड के बहुत सारे प्लान को स्टडी किया है, देखा है। सभी प्लानों में से मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें जो है यूनिक लगा है, और मैं जहां तक स्टडी कर पाया हूं प्लान को, कि इसके प्लान में बहुत इजी और बहुत फास्ट मनी है।
So as he said that he has been into this industry for since a long time, and he has studied many business plans across different companies, and he has found that there are many things in our business plan which is better than any other company operating in the industry.
हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रेशन जो है हमारे यहाँ ज्वाइनिंग 50 RM से है, और 50 RM में आपको एक प्रोडक्ट कैटलॉग और एक एलोवेरा और आपको ज्वाइनिंग एक यूनिक आईडी मिलती है।
Okay, so to get started in our business, you just need to pay a subscription for the 1 year is like 50 ringgits. In this 50 ringgits, you get the kit. Along with that, you also get a product worth rupees 54 ringgits. So that means your joining is absolutely free. So you're getting a product also.
Every year to renew is it?
It's 20 ringgits only.
Okay.
देन इसके बाद हमारा बिजनेस प्लान स्टार्ट होता है। फर्स्ट
ब्लैक वाला सही है, हाँ वो सही है।
150 10%, 1200 1200 5000 15%, 5000 20% and 10,000 25% and 15,000 30% is a super star level.
Okay, so these are our starting levels. So whenever you have 150 business volume in your business, that means you reach at a level which is called 10%. Once you have 200 business volume in your group, so it is group or personal. So you reach at 15%. If you have 5,000 business volume, you reach at 20%. If you reach at 10,000, you reach at 25%. And finally, once you have 15,000 business volume, you
Accumulative
30%. So that means you are a superstar. You are at a superstar level.
ये बिजनेस प्लान का एक स्ट्रक्चर है जिस तरीके से हम 10% से लेके सुपरस्टार तक जा सकते हैं। एक तो है हमारा ये स्लो ट्रैक और दूसरा है फास्ट ट्रैक कि आप किसी भी एक कैलेंडर मंथ में 10,000 बीवी करते हैं तो आप डायरेक्टली फास्ट सुपरस्टार बन जाते हैं।
Okay. So this is as per the accumulation of the business. That means you can accumulate the business volume and you can reach at 30% level even after 6 months. Okay. So there is no
Time limit.
Time limit for this thing. That means you can achieve whenever you want to achieve. But there is also an opportunity where you can reach at 30% by doing lesser business volume, like 10,000. If you do this 10,000 business volume in single closing, like 1 month, you are promoted at 30% level. Then you need not to do 15,000 business volume.
ये जो है हमारा तरीका है स्लो ट्रैक, जिसको कि हम कछुआ की चाल कह सकते हैं, और ये तरीका है कि हम टाइगर की रफ्तार से दौड़ते हैं बिजनेस के अंदर।
So this means this is like a very slow track. Slow track means you can take your time like a tortoise and you can achieve this level. And this is more like a if you want to hunt and go for a kill in a business, you can do it very fast by just doing 10,000 business volume in a single month and you achieve 30% level.
Even personal purchase again 10,000?
नो ग्रुप
No, because can be personal.
10,000 बीवी
So he's asking.
Personal also can eligible.
also
That
can group.
yes.
Okay.
So till now it's personal as well as group.
Group.
Till now.
Okay.
मैं कुछ एग्जांपल्स जो है आपको देता हूँ कि किस तरीके से हम इसके अंदर पैसा जो है बड़ी तेजी से अर्न कर सकते हैं और बड़ी तेजी से हम लेवल्स को अचीव कर सकते हैं।
So he's going to share a few examples how you can earn money in this system using this structure.
Okay.
सबसे पहले तो हम बात करते हैं सेल्फ की, कि सेल्फ से हम कैसे जो है सुपरस्टार बन सकते हैं।
Self means when you don't have any team. For example, have team but not active team. then how you can become a superstar? 10%.
10%, 20%, 50%.
So this is more about self. If you are an individual with very less team or an inactive team.
अभी ये फरवरी का महीना है, किसी भी व्यक्ति ने ज्वाइन किया, ज्वाइन करने के साथ ही सबसे पहला काम वो करता है कि अपने 150 बिजनेस वॉल्यूम की परचेजिंग करता है, उसको कमीशन मिलता है 10%.
So now, because as you are aware that 28th February is our first official closing, and before that, anybody who is doing 150 BB, that means he reaches at 10% level. Okay, his performance level is 10%.
And commission is 15 RM.
Okay, so that means he will get 15 ringgit as the cashback or income. You can say any name you can give. Either it is a cashback or you can say income. How this is generated?
देन हम बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट मंथ में जो है फिर बिजनेस होता है. हमने कुछ काम किया और काम करके अपने 2-4 लोगों को ज्वाइन करवाया, टीम में लोग आए और हमने नया बिजनेस जो है मात्र जो है 1150 बिजनेस वॉल्यूम का टीम से जनरेट किया.
So that means February you joined, you only did 150 BB because of two reasons. Because you wanted a cashback also, you started to start your business. Plus you also wanted to qualify for the 19th of event. Now you did 150 BB. Next month, now in the month of March, you will recruit some people, recruit new people under your team. You create your structure and put together. Everyone does 1150 BB in your team. Next month, March.
Everyone is purchased 150 BB.
Okay. Now, what he is sharing that. So it's a formula which you should understand. Formula is what? Formula of 7. Power of 7. Power of 7 means you yourself sponsor 7 people directly. So why these are just not for the picture he is sharing. That means what Mr. Prem Kumar is telling, that you need to sponsor 7 direct people in your front line, and everybody doing 150 BB in the month of March.
तो टोटल बीबी जो कितने हो जाते हैं अपने 1200.
So that means if 7 people are doing 150 BB, which is equivalent to 1150 BB, and your own BB is 150, which you done last month. Your last month's performance was 150. This month's performance of your team is 150 plus you will also do your own 150.
Yes.
So 1350 total.
Total 1350 BB, but commission is जो है only 1200 BB.
Okay.
नहीं टोटल आई थिंक 1200 भी हो जाएगा ना.
1200 पिछले फरवरी का भी था ना.
अच्छा उसको पकड़ेंगे.
उसको पकड़ के टोटल हम एक्यूमुलेट कर रहे हैं ना.
अच्छा एक्यूमुलेट कर रहे हैं. हाँ उसको पकड़ा है.
तो
ठीक है.
टोटल हमारा बीबी जो है 1200 प्लस
150.
150 तो 1350 टोटल बीबी.
Right.
So I urge you. So this month you need to understand this thing. This month's current month's business volume is March is 7 people doing 150, you doing 150, that is 1200. So you are going to be paid on this 1200. Okay, you are going to, because last month whatever you did 150, you are already been paid 15 ringgits. So but this is calculated for your levels. Your previous month's business volume is calculated for your levels. Okay.
अब यहाँ पे कमीशन कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा? गैप कमीशन ही इज 10% and you are 15%.
Now, as you just need to look back into this chart. Somebody who has done 150 BB, his level will be 10%. Because now your group business volume is total 1200. You and your team performing. That means your new level is 15%. Okay. So gap commission means your level and your downline's level is subtracted, mean minus.
Differential income.
Differential. 15 minus 10 means 5%. So you get 5% from this team, everyone.
1115 BB.
Okay, into 5%.
Into 5% and 150 self is 15%. कितना हो गया? 150 1150 का.
So now there are two income which you will generate. First income, your self purchase, because you have already purchased product on your ID as well, and your percentage level is 15%. That 150 BB into 15%, so that is your first income. Second, your entire group. Now because everyone is doing the same business volume, so that is why everyone, the total business volume is 1150, and the gap difference is 5% between you and your downlines. So 5% from the entire business.
हो गए शुरू में
So that will come
115 का पेस 60 7.5 67.5 ऊपर का 67.5
67.5
हाँ और इसका 150 का 10
57.5.
हाँ इसका 57 या
57 67
1150 into
5
ओ 57 ओके
and self का
इसका सेल्फ का 150 का 10 का 15 22 22.5
22.5. Okay.
हाँ 22.5 ringgit. So 22.5 plus
9 10 5 2 7 7 80 ringgit.
So
80 ringgits.
total cashback, or so there are two things which people will understand. Income, this income will get credited into your bank account which you shared during at the time of registration. So this will get credited into your account when after the closing of the month. So closing is on the 28th of February. So this credited into your account in the first week of March.
The commercial pay once a month,
Yes, once a week.
first week.
pay orders yes first week.
अब हमारे 2 मंथ बीत गए थे, पहला फरवरी, दूसरा मार्च, एंड हम नेक्स्ट मंथ अप्रैल की बात करते हैं. अप्रैल में ये सभी 7 लोगों ने बेसिकली हम लोग एक फार्मूले पे काम करते हैं.
Yeah. So now what we are trying to make you understand that when you work on any business, you need to know the mathematical calculation. Then only you will be able to earn money. So this is a formula which you need to follow. Suggestive formula.
ऑलरेडी इन्होंने 7 लोग थे, 7 लोगों ने सेम जो इन्होंने किया, हम डायरेक्ट सेलिंग क्या होता है जो हम करते हैं वही हम लोगों को सिखाते हैं.
So this is again a success formula which Mr. Prem Kumar and his team has seen that where, as a leader, whatever you do, your team will also start doing that. So as a formula, they are sharing as because they are your uplines. They are sharing a formula which you as a team should follow, which will make you successful.
Yeah, come sit.
अब सेम सेकंड अप्रैल मंथ में जो है ये 7 लोग अपने 7 लोगों को ज्वाइन करवाते हैं. ज्वाइनिंग प्लस 150 बीबी परचेज 7 into 150
7 into
150 1050
1072
72 कहाँ से
कैसे आएगा
1050
7
नहीं
1050.
1050 for this leg plus personal purchase is a 150
1300 और 1200
1200 into 7
Okay.
कितना हो गया जी
8400 00 8400 8400
8400 then plus personal purchase 150 is a 8550 is a April month commission.
Yeah, this is total business.
Total business volume, sorry.
Total business volume. So now, in the month of March, in February you sponsor 7 people.
Yes.
In March, these 7 people will also sponsor
Seven.
7 people. But the point is, selling kit doesn't help you, because when you buy a kit, you give 50 ringgits to company. But end of the day, your business starts once they start doing the business volume. And how much business volume? We need to make a habit of 150 BV. So 150 BV is something which everyone should be talking about. You come and do 50 ringgits for kit and 150 BV. So that is your business. Now this month, these 7 people will do their 150 and they sponsor again each one of them. 7 people sponsoring 7 people means 49 again people. 49 individuals doing 150 BV. 49 new, 7 previous. Okay, and 1 myself. Means 49 plus 7 is 56. 56 plus 1, 57. 57. Now your network is of 57 people. Everybody doing 150 BV. That means your total business volume would be for that month. Current month is 8,550 business volume total. So and your previous
business volume is a 1350. क्योंकि हमने पहले ही बोला था कि बिजनेस जुड़ते हुए क्रम में चलता है.
एक 150 एक और
नहीं हो गया, कर ले. हाँ कर ले.
So that means now your business volume for this month. So you will pay for 8,550 as I shared. Whatever business you do in the current month, you will get the commission for that month. Okay. But your level will be counted as per your previous effort and current month's effort.
Okay.
So now if we calculate this will come
0, 8, 9, 9. Total business volume is 9,900.
Okay.
Level is at 25%, is at 10,000.
so with this
एक मिनट इधर काम बोलो.
okay. Now that means your total business volume in terms of network is 9,900 and your level for
20%.
20%.
आपका लेवल 20% हो गया. और अब हम यहाँ पे कमीशन को जो है फॉरगेट करते हैं, डिफरेंस कमीशन निकालते हैं. ये जो व्यक्ति है ये 10% पे और ये जो है व्यक्ति ये आ गया 20% पे.
So now this person will
टोटल सभी 10%
all will be at 10% and you will be at 20%.
अब यहाँ पे कमीशन कैसे निकलेगा? गैप कमीशन सबसे पहले
10%.
10% and your personal purchase
20.
20%. 10% is a
840.
840 is a team and 20% is a
30.
30. So it is 8870.
7 is a current month commission.
So close to 1,000 ringgit you will start getting in from the third month if you follow this system. Okay. ये इसके साथ
7 into 7
into 7.
is a कितना हो गया? 49 into 150.
49.
Yeah, 49.
49 into 1.
49 into
donation.
1.
49 plus 7. 49 plus 7
Plus 7.
into 150
49
plus 7
7
into 150.
into 150. 8,400.
8,400 BB.
Okay.
सातों लेग के हो गए.
So, from now what will happen? You will start getting, now these people also sponsor 7 people in the fourth month. So from 1 lakh you will get 8,400. That means from 7 lakh, now the volume will start coming if you are building 7 lakhs. 8,400 into 7 lakhs is close to 58,000.
58,800.
Yes, yes. I think अब तो qualify होगी लगी.
और इसका पिछले महीने का इनका बिजनेस वॉल्यूम कितना था पर लैख का? 8,000 था.
8,550.
8,000 टोटल होता ना 1200 था ना लास्ट मंथ. 6 और 9. इनका लेवल जो है 8,000 के हिसाब से 20% एंड ही इज गो टू सुपरस्टार. सेल्फ बीबी 150. गैप कमीशन इज अ 10% एंड सेल्फ इज 30%. 10% हो गया आपका 5,000.
Now look at the business plan. You are just at a superstar level in the 4th month, but your income has already crossed 6,000.
6,000.
Already crossed. So I tell you, the biggest thing, what I understand this thing, if you go 2 legs or you go width, the 2 choices you have. You see, in the 4th month, you have 7 legs and then silver level. Next month, I'm pretty much sure if you are doing the duplication, every leg will be superstar.
Yeah.
Next month.
The first month is February, second month is closing March, third month is April, and fourth month is May.
7 legs being qualified, you know what is your level going to be.
And May, and just upcoming 5th month June, same structure, same formula पे हम काम करते हैं और अगला एक स्टेप जाते हैं. ये टोटल के टोटल सारे के सारे लोग आपके सुपरस्टार बन जाएंगे
In the month of May.
मंथ ऑफ May.
May or June.
हाँ.
First, 4th. Yes.
में और आपका लेवल हो जाएगा 45% चेयरमैन.
Straight away.
अब हम यहाँ पे कमीशन निकालते हैं. कमीशन कितना बनेगा? 49 into 7
49
into 7
343
343
plus 7
350
into 150.
into 150. Okay.
52500 52500
52,500.
Single leg business volume is
Sorry.
by 52,000.
500
So that means
500 into
next
7.
month, into
Into
you
7.
will start getting 52,500 business volume from 1 leg, and you have 7 legs. That means your total business volume now be into 7.
52500
3 lakhs.
3 लाख
3,67,000 367,500
बिजनेस वॉल्यूम.
हाँ.
अब इसमें आपको गैप कमीशन मिलेगा प्लस आपको अपने परचेज का 150 पीवी का मिलेगा
Gap कितना हो जाएगा?
15%.
15% gap.
You are at chairman level. Your downlines are at superstar level.
30.
So there is a differential of 15%. So 15% from 3,67,000.
यस. कितना हुआ? कितना का?
55,000.
55,000
55,125 और सेल्फ का 45%.
This is not INR. This is ringgit.
रिंगेट. और इसके बाद आपको यहाँ पे एक और फंड स्टार्ट होता है जिसको कहते हैं लीडरशिप बोनस 5%. इसका 5% और निकालो.
This is anyways very high now. Too high. Okay, so
मैं एक्चुअल फिगर मैं जो फिगर है मैं उस जो हम लोग काम करते हैं मैं उसके ऊपर बात कर रहा हूँ बेसिकली.
this is how Indian leaders are working. So they work on a plan. So they don't go on emotions and feelings. For them,
That's
creating
how-
structure is very important.
10 साल से मैं कर रहा हूँ बिजनेस.
He doesn't know English, and still he is the top earner in India.
Yeah. Yo.
He can afford to have people who can speak English for him. He can afford to have people who can speak Mandarin for him. He can afford to have many people who can do work for him. End of the day, your calculation has to be very, very strong. Why? It may take some time. It may take 3 months, 4 months. If your structure is right,
Work on a definite plan. You should have a calculations in your hand.
it's just like you planning to trade. Oh,
5%
5% निकाल
5% तेरे 3 लाख का 3,67,000
तीन किसका?
इसका
ओ मैंने कम कर 3 लाख
67,500 का 5%
into
5
18,000
18,100
375
370
और कुछ
नहीं बस यही
Leadership
है, कुछ नहीं बस यही है.
अच्छा सबने फर्स्ट लेवल
9 10 4 5 8 5 13 and 7
73,500 ringgit. Only chairman.
ओनली लेवल चेयरमैन. और विदाउट और बिना किसी फंड के आप इसको 3 महीने मेंटेन कर लेते हैं तो आपका ट्रैवलिंग फंड, बाइक फंड, कार फंड, हाउस फंड एंड चेयरमैन फंड एंड मीटिंग फंड.
यहाँ आएगी तो शुरू होगी ना.
हाँ वाले भी तो शुरू हो गए लेकिन यानी कि ये फंड रफली अगर हम इस स्ट्रक्चर पे काम करते हैं 3 महीने स्ट्रक्चर को मेंटेन कर लेते हैं. जून में हमने ये लेवल अचीव किया, जुलाई अगस्त मेंटेन कर लेते हैं. सितंबर का पे आउट आई थिंक जो है रिंगेट की अगर मैं बात करूं तो 1,25,000 रिंगेट जाएगा इनकम।
Now, there is no fund we have calculated till now. Bike fund, travel fund, car fund. We have not house fund. We have not calculated.
Chairman fund.
Chairman fund. Why? Because to take any fund, you need to maintain it for 2 months, and from the third month you get it. And this is your first month of
Yeah.
qualification of chairman. You have not qualified silver. You have not qualified gold. You have not qualified
Any level.
Any level. You directly jump to chairman level. Okay. And after 2 months, if you maintain this level 3 months, 2 months consecutively, from the third month your income
After
with the
third
same
month,
after third month, your with the same structure, same business volume, your income would be not less than 1,25,000
Ringgit.
Yes.
That's it. Chairman is okay. Because if you go ambassador or CP, you need to have account in Swiss Bank.
अगर इस फॉर्मूले पे आप काम कर लेते हैं मैक्सिमम 1 साल चेयरमैन लेवल मिनिमम पे आउट 1 लाख रिंगेट।
So if you work on this formula for next 1 year, minimum your income would be 1 lakh.
1 लाख रिंगेट।
1 lakh ringgit.
1 lakh is how much?
You calculate.
100,000, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000 ringgit.
100,000 ringgit. So this is the simple business plan. What we understand from this presentation from Mr. Prem Kumar, that work on something which people have achieved and they have been very successful. Okay. Your understanding, feelings, your past experience can be different. But in IMC, if you want to earn money, do what the successful people are doing. Do what people who have done it before also, and they are very successful in that. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now they will understand Hindi also. So now I would invite our Crown President, Mr. Vajpayee sir. He's a doctor by profession and a master in business plan as well.
Yeah, so I'll just give you the summary what my great applying Prem Kumar, you know. First step when you are joining IMC business, right? Today you all are starting your journey. First step, just take in your mind, I want to become a superstar. Your first target, right? Because there are levels. So first level, whoever you are joining today, the takeaway for you is I have to become a superstar. Now to become a superstar, there are 2 ways. Either I go slowly, 15,000, or I go fast, 10,000. That you have to decide. Depending on your team size, that you have to decide. For me, to become a superstar, there are 2 ways. Either I go slow, that is 15,000. There is no time limit for 15,000. You can go 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Or if I have a good team, I need to do 10,000. So that is the first takeaway. I need to become a superstar. And once I become a superstar, I crack the formula how to become a superstar. Right? Because I become a superstar, I know the way how I become a superstar. Either slow or fast. Now the second takeaway is I need to sponsor 7 lines. 7. Power of 7. So work on the formula. I become a superstar, sponsor 7 different lines, 7 different legs, and help them to become a superstar. First step is I become a superstar, either fast or slow track. Second, I help 7 people. So first you have to keep in mind 7 teams. 7 teams I need to help them just to become a superstar. And once you crack that formula, the same formula you have to duplicate. And if you crack this formula, by this year end, 2023, you easily crack the chairman level and above. If you have a good team, definitely. Chairman is the basic level where 100,000 ringgit you can earn. So first we have to reach a certain income. Then we have to reach upper levels, right? Like now Mr. Prem Kumar, he is earning almost 10 times what he has projected. And right, he is the #1 earner in India. So he has shared his formula. So here also, see, in network marketing there are 2 types of leaders. One, those who are working on the products. They speak more about products. They speak more about the testimonials. They speak more about the diseases, diabetes, cancer, thyroid. And second type of leaders, there are only 5% network builders. Right? There are first those who find the end consumers. They are happy to give the products and they are happy to take the results. They will be 95% of the people. The maximum chunk what we are getting, that will be the customer, the consumer base. But if we want to earn money, as I always say, see, doctors always speaks about vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. But the networkers like us, we talk only about vitamin M. Vitamin M, which is superpower. If we have vitamin M, do you agree? Yes. So superpower is vitamin M. So always focus, because see, here we are here to fulfill our dreams, not to just run a house. Okay, to run a house we can earn 3,000, 5,000 ringgit, that's okay. But to fulfill our dreams, we need more of vitamin M. So for vitamin M, you need to crack this formula. Power of 7. Power of 7. I become a superstar, I make 7 people superstar, and I achieve my dream level. And then same formula, once you become a chairman, help these 7 people to become a chairman. And then you go more and more higher. And this, by I think next year or this year end, we will be starting another country also. We will be starting Thailand. Then we will be starting maybe Singapore, maybe Taiwan. So now we have just started the journey. You all can be the pioneers here, right? We are starting here. First seminar we are having on 19th. I hope 19th we all are, maximum people are coming. MD from India is traveling to Malaysia. It will be a grand seminar, all the product demonstrations, the business plan, the entire game plan for Malaysia we will be sharing on 19th. But the target for that is 150 BB, I think.
Yes.
So 150 BB, whoever who does 150 BB, they can enter that seminar. We have organized a grand seminar in Hotel Ibis, right? Ibis area. What is the area?
Yapansing.
Okay.
Near KIA.
KL, actually near KL.
KLCC.
So invite maximum people. I know you all are from Thailand, Bangkok, but definitely you will be having people over here. Promote that 19th ka seminar. Invite people more and more. Tell them to do 150 BB and attend that seminar. See, today we have just given you a trailer, but the broader picture. See, because networker, we always talks about vision. Vision means seeing the invisible. Right now it is not existing, but I can see. Prem Kumar, when he started in India, he just had a vision. And now, today, since a decade almost, he is the #1 earner in IMC. Why? He had a vision. Again, the same vision we are carrying over here. We have a vision to go across the world. Like there are so many network marketing companies like FLP, right? Going successfully, almost running in 190 countries. We can be also the pioneers. We can also do the same thing. At least we can tap 10 countries. Just imagine 10 countries, pioneer leaders below you. Can you imagine the kind of, if you have a vision, then only you can go further. So that was all from me. I wish you all the best and may God bless you with all the great success in life. Thank you.
Thank you.